HaemSTAR is a national network of haematology registrars, and our overarching aim is to promote research into non-malignant haematology. We principally trying to do this in 4 ways. Firstly, we want to facilitate and promote recruitment and study opening of trials that are already open in non-malignant haematology. Secondly, in doing so, we should be able to train principal investigators of the future. Thirdly, we want to utilise everyone's need to do audit as part of their curriculum and actually turn those local audits into meaningful, large national audits. And then ultimately, we want to start planning and opening and running our own clinical trials. There is a lot. Research at the moment is very top-down. It requires an investigator to have an idea, or principal investigator, or chief investigator to have an idea, to apply for research funding, and then open that trial at a few sites and bring research in. That's quite bureaucratic. It's got lots of paper form filling. It costs a lot of money. The NHS is forever having costs and things stripped down, and we're also now in a time where data is never been more available, never been easier to share data, never been as easy to process data. We're treating patients with all these conditions all the time. The data we need to answer loads of the clinical questions that are out there, it already exists. We just need to get hold of it. And actually, that doesn't require money top-down and a research idea in a trial. Often that requires collection of data that's already there. It needs people on the ground. It needs us grassroots doing it not because we're being paid for it and costing the NHS lots of money, but doing it because we know that we really want to help our patients. But part of the drive for doing it is that there's already so much research and so much money being pumped into malignant haematology, and non-malignant haematology doesn't really get a look in at all. There's so many diseases out there that there is very little research in, that actually we still need to do right by these patients and perform and promote research in these areas. If you want to find out more, you can contact HaemSTAR, you can contact the NIHR, you can use the HaemSTAR website, haemstar.org, or our Twitter feed @HaemSTAR_UK.